Hello?
We have your daughter down here in the holding cell. She's been shoplifting. We're gonna need you to pick her up. She hung up. Okay, let me try again.
Hello, what is it?
Yeah, we need you to come pick her up.
Make shit on there. Me is not picking her up.
Excuse me?
I'm me send her up there for thief. At school, me send her. Oh, she end up in a prison cell. I'll have me problem that again. Since you want go follow back a careless friend, make her friend them pick her up. Make me tell you this, Mrs. Police or officer, whatever your name want be. Me not trust her because she can come back in here and come kill me. Every thief is a liar, and every liar is a murderer. Them all in the same boat and them do the same thing. Me never did know say she a thief. She could have been a murderer too. Officer, lady, me is scared for my safety. And if she come here, me they in a danger. So, either way, she have to turn in there.
Yeah, we're gonna need you to come retrieve her.
If me pick that girl there up, you might as well just lock me in a prison. Because you gonna charge me for murder. Because I gonna kill her with lick. People in the yard. Thief to survive. Since she a thief, that must mean say she not in the yard. Make she turn in there. Me nah left my yard to go pick up nobody. So do what you want to do. Bye, no call back before.
She hung up. You could try again on your one phone call. I don't need a phone call. You got a blanket?
Talk to me.
Let me speak. How does that feel? How does that feel?
Do not put your hands on me. Do you understand me?
If you think you about do it, me dare you. Don't dare to do it. Don't think about doing it. And any day you feel like say you're gonna start to think about it, stop yourself from think about it before the thought coming out your head.
That doesn't make any sense.
Just don't do it. Figure it out. Get ready for school. Wait in here, though. Don't make me bust your ass so early in the morning. You have 5 minutes and keep the door open. Must take me for a friggin' fool. The place dirty and everybody still in here asleep. If me keep... Oh, you have sense. Dirty pack, me have your file. A long time I want you to come jam me out. Since you don't want mind for your business we pay you, make me mind it for you. And me can't get the compensation. Don't worry about my picking, she good and she well taken care of. Go worry about the jacket then you get Donovan. That's what you worry about. And take him out half of me. You wicked! Why if I give poor Donovan 4 jacket? And 2 of them are cashmere. If you tap it, man, bright. And if you ever feel like say you want to come on my yard to come defend it, me call police for your nasty ass. You think fire in jail nice? Yeah? Take your dirty tongue off of me. I don't worry who tell me neither. Just know say me know. What up?
Mommy, why did you say that? She's gonna know I told you.
Go, man.
Oh my goodness.
Me not say your name.
Oh, you didn't say it, man.
Me not say your name.
Oh my goodness. You never keep nothing to yourself.